A couple from Guntur in Andhra Pradesh were killed on the spot when the sleeper bus they were travelling in turned near Virupakshi village in Kolar district on Wednesday morning. The deceased have been identified as Sheikh Sharif and his wife Sheikh Meherunissa. The incident took place at around 6 a.m. when the driver of the private bus lost control and the bus toppled and slid into the roadside, resulting in the death of the couple. More than 20 passengers reportedly sustained injuries in the accident. The injured, after being administered preliminary medical aid, were later shifted to Jalapa Hospital in Kolar. Of the 22 admitted at the hospital, 6 got themselves discharged, stating that they would get admitted at Bengaluru. 3 injured are being treated at Jalapa Hospital, while the rest are discharged this evening after recovering fully, said hospital sources, as reported by Deepthi R. Kolar for Salar.